Tuner Bob, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Just yesterday I received the Skydio 2 right here, and along with it I've got the cinema kit. It's a little bigger case, and so let's go see what's in the case. Alright, this is the Skydio 2 starter kit, and inside obviously it's going to be the drone. Alright, so you have the drone. Let's see, you have a wall charger. Let's see, spare props. This is a USB to C to C cable. And let's see what else you have. You have a wiping cloth and a battery. So you do have a single battery for this drone. And again, this is the starter case. Very simple, limited in terms of what's in this kit. That's the reason why I bought the cinema kit that we'll show you in just about a minute. All right, hang on. So let's put this away for now. Right, so this is the. Oh, let me dust this thing off. So this is the cinema kit, and inside. Bump the camera there. Okay, great. It's perfect. All right, so what we have here is the controller. Right there, the controller. I see 3 batteries. 1, 2, 3. I did get the beacon as well. Cool. Extra props. I think there's only 3. Yeah, there's 4 props here, and then another USB C to C cable. Oh yeah, I do have, yeah, there's ND filters. We got the, let's see, what does it say here? We got the ND8, the 16, and the 32. Okay, so that's what's in the cinema kit. Alright, so what I'm planning to do is take out the items in the starter kit and put it in the cinema kit as a complete set. So anyway, I've got this complete set now. I do have all three batteries here, the charger hub, remote control, extra props, the wall charger, cables. I guess I put these cables here. There you go. And this is the, oh yeah, we get, this is a 128 gigabyte SD card, micro SD card, so I'll have to make sure I'll put that in the drone. And I guess I'll just put the lens or the filters here. Will that work? Yep. And perhaps this extra props. There you go. So I think this is a complete set for the cinema kit. All right. So there you go. Now, if you want to know more about the drone itself, there's other YouTube videos out there that talks more detail about the drone. Here I'm just showing you basically what the cinema kit looks like overall with the drone in it. I did pay for the starter kit. I did pay $999 on it, but like I had mentioned, Skydio just raised their prices on just the drone itself with 1 battery. I think it was, let's see, 1 battery, the wall charger, a USB C to C cable, and extra spare props for $9.99, but now it's $13.49. Really raised the price on that. So very fortunate that I ordered mine or bought mine almost a month ago, and only now received it just 2 days ago. So very lucky. And the cinema kit, I forgot what I paid for, but overall this whole kit cost about $1,850. So now if you buy something similar to this or something like this, now it's going to be over $2,000, maybe about 21 to $2,200. So if you want to get a set, just go to the website skydio.com and order yours today, and I think they still have a 45-day waiting list on it. I'm going to charge this thing up and do the firmware update and get this thing in the air. So thank you for watching.